Today we're going to show you how to change the battery on a Vag car key. Basically all you need to do, put your finger in any key ring, grab it from about there, and you've got to pull decently hard. So you've separated these two bits, and now you get your two thumbs in between there and just pull it apart like that, and then you've got your battery there.
Okay, what battery is it? It's the other side. You need to pop that out.
Oh. It makes it a bit easier if you use like a really small flathead screwdriver. So
be a little gap somewhere you can ping it from.
About there.
You see it on there, so just
pop it underneath.
Lever it out. What is it?
It is a 3-volt battery.
2032 is what you're after.
Oh.
We'll go and get one of them. So
this is the new battery, and you've got to make sure that you put it in the right way. So just pop it in.
Same way as it came out.
And then you can just close it up. Pop this back on here. Might accidentally unlock a car, I don't know.
Put that together.
Pop that back on. And you've got your key.
Sorted. Legend has it that if you leave it too long, it resets the code on the key. Don't know if that's true.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, because we were just quite a while then.
Yeah.
So, but we'll soon find out. Let's go and try it out.
So now we're going to test whether it works. If it does work, you get a little indicator beep. There we go. Thank you for watching Father and Son Not Professional. Hope to see you in the next video.